They were going to smoke 2 boneless turkey breasts on the cook shack. One going to be seasoned up with chupacabra wild game. Another one going to be with Bayou-licious.
These boneless breasts come netted, so I took one out the net. So I can get some more seasoning on it. I'll do the same thing on this one and try to repackage it. Season this puppy up. Gonna be the only seasoning on it. Bayou-licious ready to rock and roll. And the wild game. I'm gonna set this bad boy up. Smoke time 2 hours, okay. At 250, okay. Cook time 2 hours, okay. 275, okay. Whole 165, okay. Now we're gonna start it. Got the firebox loaded up with some apple and cherry.